Hello everyone, welcome back to Oklahoma Railfan Productions. I am your host Blake, and in today's video we had a failed chase of the Tulsa Sapulpa Union Railway local train. Today starts out with the local train pulling forward, moving some cars around to another track to get out of their way. Today's train is led by TSU number 108, an SW1200 switcher built by EMD back in the 1950s. This train engine features TSU's bright red paint scheme with an old cast Nathan P3 train horn. So why did I call this a failed chase of TSU 108 whenever everything looks perfectly fine? We'll get to that later in the video. Right now our train is heading towards the Tulsa oil refinery in West Tulsa. Once they get there, they are going to back their cars down another yard track and come back to the same location, just one track over. Once the train got about 1,000 yards to the north of our location, it hit the switch and then it started reversing back towards the same crossing we were just at. Once they disconnected from their freight cars just a couple feet down the track, they started heading back northbound to pick up two grain cars they needed to move out of the Once they connected to their two grain cars, they started reversing into the yard to get these out of the way so they can continue down the main line. So they finally finished up their switching operation. Now time to get some amazing mainline footage of TSU number 108. And here's where the problem begins. Due to today's cold weather of 20 degrees Fahrenheit, the first cold weather of the season, since this was filmed in December 2025, my camera decided to die right as the train made it to the railroad crossing, which is very annoying since that was going to be probably one of my best videos of 2025.